And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Fxpassion broadcasting you live on TradingView. Hello, Lucas, how are you? Hello, Silly, how are you? Thank you very much. If you can confirm, everybody, that you can see my screen and hear my voice. So this is Forex Trader Course 101, everybody. What we are trying to do here, we are trying to build the three pillars of a beginner trader. Pillar number one is the strategy and or system. Pillar number two is the risk management. So we are trying to learn and understand how risk management works inside the strategy and or system. And the big one, the psychology part. We're trying to understand and learn how Israel, my friend, how are you? Here are you. Okay, can you see the first slide, Forex Trader Course 101? So everybody, psychology is the big part. We are trying to learn how psychology affects our risk management decisions and our decisions about the strategy, the system. And remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. The webinars are not investment or trading advice, everybody. The webinars are for educational purposes only. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. For questions or homeworks, TradingView house rules apply. You can contact me in private chat, or below the streaming video you have the Gmail contact. Never forget, everybody, having 2 skills is better than 1. Having 3 skills is better than 2, especially in times of uncertainty, and trading is a learnable skill. That being said, we started to talk yesterday. So today is lesson 29, how to buy bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend. Okay, everybody, so if you would like to check your currency pair of interest, please type in the chat the currency pair and the time frame so we can check the bullish. So we need an uptrend, everybody. Okay, we need a currency pair that it's in an uptrend so we can check the bullish candlestick formations. Okay, and remember, those pictures are from the internet and not from Google. Okay, those are not mine. I don't want to break some copyrights. Okay, you just Google candlestick patterns cheat sheet or something, and those two pictures are going to appear. Okay, and we're going to use this. And what would be the pair that it's moving up, right? Let me see, AUD CAD maybe. AUD CAD was moving up, and so we had Canadian news today. AUD CAD maybe not the best. AUD CHF not the best. AUD JPY maybe not the best. AUD NZD downtrend not the best. AUD USD maybe, right? Maybe AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD so far, but you can type in the chat your currency of choice. Okay, AUD USD 1 hour chart this time. Okay, and here is the trading concept, everybody. So we're moving forward from yesterday, and this is the text. Beginner traders, pay attention. Okay, those are so trading rules. Trading rules, or trading rule is going to be just one. Trading rule in an uptrend. In an uptrend, I am going to only buy bullish candlestick formations and never sell bearish candlestick formations. Okay, trading rule for the beginner trader, for the junior trader, whatever, you know. Euro, what time frame? It's up to everybody. So trading rule, in an uptrend, I'm going to only buy bullish candlestick formations and never sell bearish candlestick formations. Okay, Passion, can I sell in an uptrend? No, no. If you're a beginner trader, you can do this. Okay, please don't sell beginner traders. Okay, so talking about don't bother about the Fibonacci's, everybody. We're going to learn this in the future lessons. So talking about, do we agree that, and I'm going to delete the magnet, do we agree that the market was in a downtrend, was making lower lows, lower highs, and then the market reversed? Do we agree on that? 1 hour, okay, we have time. We're going to check the euro too. Everybody, do we agree that the market was in a downtrend and then the market broke the downtrend line on AUD USD 1 hour chart? Do we agree on that? You can say yes, you can say no, you can say I have no clue. So trend lines, right? The market was making lower lows, lower highs, and the market broke the downtrend line in here. Do we agree? Yes. Okay, very good. So now we are going to delete the downtrend line, right? And we are going to draw the uptrend line. Agreed? Okay. And what we are going to do, we are going to try to buy bullish candlestick formation. Now remember, maybe it's difficult, right, in the beginning, and what we were learning yesterday, lesson 28, is that theory is this is theory. So I'm going to leave the picture on the screen, everybody. This is theory, and one more, okay, and then this is the live market in here. Okay, so, and let's see that we don't know the future, right? We don't know the future, and the market was making higher highs, higher lows, and this is the chart, right? This is the chart, and this is what we see right now, right? We are seeing the market. So the market, it's not making lower lows, lower highs on a small scale anymore. It's making higher highs, higher lows. Agreed? Higher highs, higher lows. Okay. And so what we're going to try, everybody, we are going to try to buy bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend. Okay. So this was the previous picture. Then we zoomed in, and the market now on the smaller scale, it's not making lower lows or highs anymore. It's making higher highs, higher lows. So we are trying to buy bullish candlestick formations. Remember, as a signal in order to enter. Okay. So where is the trading concept? Let me see. Trading rule. It's here. Do we have enough? We have. Okay. Trading rule. Okay, in an uptrend, I'm going to buy only bullish candlestick formation. Now, this is a trading concept, right? So trading concept, trading concept. You know, I am going to buy bullish, CF stands for candlestick formations, okay, as a reversal pattern. Okay, it's a concept, it's not a rule per se, okay, but I'm going to buy bullish candlestick formation as a reversal pattern. What does this mean? This means that the market must wave. The market must wave. So what I'm going to try to capture is this movement in here. I'm going to pay attention to a small retracement. It doesn't matter what time frame, 1 hour, 15-minute chart. We're going to check Euro 1 hour chart after this one. But this is what I'm trying to do. Make sense? And we are going to enter, and we're going to put a stop loss, okay, 15 pips below our entry. And then we are going to see how this is going to go, okay? So this is the chart right now, okay? Now, the market's making higher highs, higher lows. And I'm going to zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. And here we have 1, 2, the next candle, next candle. So I'm going to zoom in, everybody. The next candle and the next candle, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, and bam. Okay. And I'm going to bring up the candlestick formation cheat sheet, not mine. It's on Google. It's for free. Okay. Now, remember what we learned yesterday is that the formation is made from minimum 3. Okay, and we have bullish in here, right? Let me increase the scale of the picture. So we are looking for bullish, right? We're looking for bullish reversals, right? And so the question is, number one, is this a bullish candlestick formation 1, 2, 3, 4, or is this not a bullish candlestick formation? And the next question is, who in here would like to enter? So let's go step by step, everybody, and we are going to delete this one, right? We don't need the currency pairs. Okay, so question number one, is this or is this not a bullish candlestick formation? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Or 1, 2, 3 at least, right? Okay, so let's make a quadrant. It's going to be better, I believe. So quadrant from this current, from this to this. Not okay. I'm going to put an arrow. So, and where is the magnet? Weak magnet. Okay, no magnet. So arrow. We're talking about those 3, or maybe the last 4. Okay, and this is the picture. And Arman says yes, it's a bullish formation. Okay, so it's a bullish candlestick formation. Now, who in here would like to enter? Buying. So our entry, this is our entry in here. Our stop loss is down in here, 15 pips below, and we are going to trade this one 1 for 1. Okay, so I'm going to use a quadrant just to measure. So I'm risking that much and clone, and I want to go after this much. Okay, and don't bother everybody with the names, you know, bullish engulfing, morning star, you know, tweezer bottom, whatever. Okay, but so I would say maybe, you know, let me see, where are the colors? So clicking here and more transparent, right? And here too, transparency. Okay, so this is our stop loss, and I just show it too much, right? Now everybody is going to say, yes, I'm going to enter, right? So remember what we learned yesterday, you know, what do we have here? We have long wicks on the downside of the candle. This means bullish pressure, and we have here a big body, which is bullish decision. And yes, it's true, we have here bearish pressure too, right? It's bearish pressure. But nonetheless, this is a bullish candlestick formation, everybody. Okay? So if we would enter in here, right, and we would say, okay, this is our stop loss, and this is our take profit in here. Clicking here and clone 1 for 1. And remember, we are using candlestick formations in order to time our entries. We are using them for timing, right? So if we would enter in here and we would enter this trade, bam, right? Winner. So we won 1. Don't be happy, everybody. It's not going to happen all the time. So winners, 1, losers, 0, right? We won 1 and we don't have any losers, not yet, but losers are coming too. Okay, So next, you know, 1, 2, 3. So the market is moving, everybody, and finally we have again, we have a reversal. 1, 2, 3. Right? 1, 2, 3. Let's take a look on this one, right? And here is the picture. The last 3 candles, everybody, is this or is this not a bullish candlestick formation? Is this or is this not, everybody? What do you think? Is this or is this not a bullish candlestick formation? 1, 2, 3. The last 3 candles. You can say yes, you can say no, you can say I don't know. So we have a bearish candle decision. We have bullish pressure with a small bearish decision. And we have still bullish pressure with a quite of bigger body. Arman no, Israel no, right? So 1, 2, 3. Looking here, everybody, isn't this? So remember, theory is on the picture. This is the live market. Isn't this? Don't bother about the name. Isn't this hammer in here? The picture of the hammer similar to this one, the blue one in here. Isn't this similar? Some of you are not seeing the wicks, are you? So this would be the wick of the candle. This would be the wick of the candle. And this would be the wick of the candle. And picture this one. Looking here, Israel says yes, it's similar. So what do you think? Still the same? Is this or is this not a bearish, bullish candlestick formation? Decision, not that big decision, but bullish pressure, and then we have a bullish decision, bullish candle. So is this look like kind of reversal? Yes, but this color is different. Exactly. This is theory. This is the live market. So let's make a poll, everybody. Who wants to? So we won one, right? Who wants to enter in here buying? We're going to put the stop loss down in here, and one more time we are going to go 1 for 1. This is our risk, just graphically, and clone. This is our reward. Who in here wants to enter this one? Remember, everybody, what we are doing, we are buying bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend. Just this. Who in here wants to buy bullish candlestick formation this time? If you are not sure, just type in the chat. Oh, I would like to, but I'm not sure, right? Arman says enter. Is anybody here who doesn't want to buy this one? Remember, we have rules, non-negotiable black and white rules. We are going to buy bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend and never, 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 never sell. Israel says not sure. Okay, not sure. So let's see how this is going to go. Our stop loss, I don't know if it's a good trade. Everybody, remember what we are trying to do. We are trying to obey the rules. So what are the rules saying? Bullish candlestick formation, buy. Simple as this, you know. So let's see what is going to happen next. Whoops, retesting the bullish candlestick formation, retesting, and we were stopped out. We were stopped out on this one, right? So how it goes? Winner 1, loser 1, loser 1. Okay, now we're going to delete. So this didn't work, right? And one more, you know, 1, 2, 3. Who is going to buy this one? Same story. This is the wick, right? What about now? Do you have a YouTube channel? Yes, I do, Arman. Go on my profile, and there you have the link to the channel. But remember, my channel is made, so one student is doing the channel for me, everybody. I'm not sure that there is everything on it. I believe there are the first 27 lessons. Okay, so let's make a poll, everybody. Next opportunity, is this 1, 2, 3 a bullish candlestick formation? Same story, similar to the prior one. What do you think? Remember, candlestick formation as per the Fibonacci's and trend lines and support resistance levels are not guaranteed, right? So 1, 2, 3, is this a bullish candlestick formation? And who is going to enter? Israel says no. Okay. So what's the difference between Israel? You are correct. What's the difference between those three and those three? Thank you for this free. Yes, we are trying to give back on TradingView, you know. Last year was difficult for most people all around the world because of the pandemic. So we are trying to give back to the community what we have learned so far. I'm just one among a lot of professional traders here on TradingView. I wait a deep retracement. We are not talking about retracement. We are talking about what is the difference in here, everybody. Look at the white candle. What's the difference between this candle, the last white, and the previous one? What's the difference? Where is the pressure? Israel, you're right. This is not a bullish candlestick formation. This is a bullish candle, though, bullish pressure, but the next one, the white one, it's not. Why not? Where is the pressure on the white candle in here? Do we have bullish pressure or do we have bearish pressure? Bearish, exactly. So one more. Undecision, right? And what about now? So the lesson today, everybody, is for you to understand, beginner traders especially, what is the difference between the theory and the live market. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Would you say that those 5 represent a bullish candlestick formation? And this one right here, right? This could be what? Maybe, I mean, look in here, not to bother with the names. Look at down here, the morning star. So we have a bearish candle. We have undecision, which would be this one. Bearish candle, undecision, bullish candle. Is this or not, everybody, a bullish signal, a bullish candlestick formation? You can say yes, you can say no, you can say I don't know, you can say I'm not sure. And this white in here can be considered also like the bullish engulfing, right? Because it's engulfing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So next question here wants to enter. So this would be our entry. This would be our stop loss. And clone, we want to go 1 for 1. 1 for 1, 1 for 1, 1 for 1. Right? 1 for 1. Yes, this looks. So who wants to enter, everybody? Who wants to, let's make a poll. Who wants to enter this trade? We have one winner, we have one loser. Let's see who has courage. Israel, do you want to enter? Lucas, do you want to enter? Arman, enter, yes, okay. Is anybody here who doesn't want to enter? Like, oh, I'm not sure, you know, whatever. Enter, enter. So, oh my gosh, it's bearish. It's going against me. And it's falling down, everybody, falling down, enter. Falling down, and let's see, stopped out again, right? So we have 2 losers now. 1 winner, 2 losers. Okay, 1 winner, 2 losers. Okay, now let's move on the next one. So didn't work this time. And let's see on the next one. Bearish, falling down. What about this one? What about this one? Is this or is this not? Where is the picture? What about this one? 1, 2, 3. Is this or is this not a bullish candlestick formation? So we have two losers, everybody, buying candlestick formations in an uptrend, right? Two losers, one winner, and we have the next opportunity. 1, 2, 3. Is this or is this not a bullish candlestick? This would be like what? Like, not to bother with the name, maybe morning star, you know, kind of bearish. Then this white, it's engulfing, you know, maybe like those two, right? Those two. The last two looks like bullish engulfing, not to bother with the name. Enter bull. Okay. So if I'm being honest here, I'd say I'm not that sure, you know, maybe yes, maybe not, I'm not that sure. But so what's the kicker here, everybody? Talking about beginner traders, now I'm scared. Who is scared right now, everybody? Yes, bullish. Everybody, are you scared to enter right now? And back in time, I was scared. Okay, I'm scared. Why I'm scared? Because I'm buying bullish candlestick formations. Fxpassion told me to buy bullish candlestick formations. I'll have two losers, and now I'm not sure anymore, and I'm scared, right? But as a good student of the markets, you know, I need to obey the rules. So I'm not going to enter this one if I'm scared, right? But if I'm not scared, or I would say, okay, right, this makes sense to me, you know, this is maybe the last two, little scared. Thank you for being honest. You know, those two bullish engulfing, so, you know, maybe not the best one. Okay, so let's be honest, you know, I'm honest here. I would pass this one. I would just monitor the market and I would say, okay, this is the stop loss, right? And this is the take profit. But I would say, well, I'm scared. I'm not going to trade this one. I'm just going to monitor. And bam, it was a winner. So, you know, I cannot say. So I'm going to put two winners because we are monitoring the concept. But you know, really won just one because I will not take this trade. You know, I was scared. Makes sense. But I can see that this was a winner. So let's move on the next one, and it's moving up, right? It's moving up, and finally start to retrace again. So bearish, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now this is a difficult one, everybody. Look at the last 4 candles. What do you say? Is this a bullish candlestick formation? What do you say? Passion, I don't see the wicks. So this is a wick with no body. So it's bearish pressure and without decision. And we have bearish pressure here too. And here we have bullish pressure, right? And one more time, what is the lesson today? Try to interpret the live market with the... Oh, is this the last candle? Not yet. Okay. Try to identify the live market. Try to see what is theory and what is the live market. So what would you say, everybody? Is this a bullish signal, bullish candlestick formation? The last 3 candles, maybe, you know, or the last 4 candles bearish. So this would be compared to this morning star, right? bearish, bullish pressure with a bullish candle. This one, it's like bearish pressure, but no decision. And the next one, it's moving up like the bulls are fighting the bears. So it's pushing up, right? So, and this one, you know, this one, back in time, this was white and it just went down. Bearish, I think, because of high selling pressure. What about the body? You're right. Looks like bullish. So, do you want to enter Israel? I'm going to be honest one more time. I would not take this trade. I'm not sure. A lot of bearish pressure. Right? Looks like bullish. Yes, sir, but still. So one more time, you know, everybody, what is the lesson here? A little bit of psychology too. I'm scared. And this is the psychological aspect of trading. I'm scared of this long bearish pressure. And Israel says, yes, it looks like bullish. Let's enter. Okay. So this would be our entry. Stop loss in here, 15 pips below. Clone. Let me take quadrant. Okay, so let's see how this is going to play out. Moving up, bullish. What about now? Is anybody who gets courageous right now? Oh yeah, I'm going to enter on this one. What about now? Do you see bullish candlestick formations, everybody? So I would not enter when Israel did, but I would enter on the next one. What's the difference? Risk reward. This is my entry. This is my stop now. So the risk reward ratio is going to be different. And not to show the future, one more time, if I'm going to risk one, I want to make two, right? So I'm not going to enter where Israel did. I'm going to enter on the next one, on this one, on the yellow one. So let's see how this is going to play out, everybody. And man, I know the market. How do we think as beginner traders? I know the market is against me, right? This game is impossible. The market is against me. I knew it, you know, I was waiting, and now that I'm entering, the market is against me. Don't freak out, everybody. We have the next concept. Okay. Candlestick formations, trading concept. Don't freak out because the market is going to retest the candlestick formations about 80% of the time. Really? Yes, really. Okay, beginner traders, candlestick formations trading concept. I just entered, you know, and I am stressed and I am frustrated, you know, because I didn't enter here. I entered here, and as soon as I enter, the market goes against me. Who can relate to this? Can you relate to this, everybody? Does this happen to you? Looks like magic, right? Somebody spying on me, you know. The broker is against me. No such thing, believe me. No, this is normal market behavior. It goes together with extension, retracement, extension, and it goes together with the previous lessons that the market, in order to move, it must wave. But without this knowledge, how the market moves, how the market behaves, I would start to think, you know, oh, the broker is spying on me. How is this possible that every time that the market goes against me, this market is rigged? You know, no such thing, everybody. Candlestick formation trading concept concept. Don't freak out because the market is going to retest candlestick formations about 80% of the time, right? So listen carefully, beginner traders. This is the market like this. This could be the 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart, you know. So this is the market, and this is the uptrend line. See? And this is what is called extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Okay? Inside the uptrend, we are going to have losing trades in here. Even though we are going to buy candlestick formations in an uptrend, this is where we are going to have losers. Why? Because simply the market is going to retrace. The market must retrace. So, of course, the next logical question is, well, but if the market is moving up and down, how can we make money? Answer: extensions are by default bigger or longer than retracements. So in an extension, everybody, we are going to have 7 to 13 swings, upswings. In a retracement, we are going to have 3 or 4. So yeah, we are going to have losing trades time to time, but statistically speaking, because extensions are bigger and or longer than retracements, these concepts work. And what is the kicker here? It's a lot of time it's psychological. So right now I just entered the market went against me, almost stopped me out, and I'm scared, right? And here is the next question: who in here wants to get out of this trade? The market almost took us out. Passion, how do you know this? I've been there, everybody. I know how your head works. You know, the yellow was the plan, right? The yellow was the plan. I was expecting the market to rally, and I was expecting myself to make money, right? Even on a demo account, I was expecting the market to rally, right? But the next candle is bearish, almost hit my stop. How many of you, everybody, wants to get out? So instead of me losing 1%, I'm going to lose 0.5% because the market is against me, right? Arman says stay. Israel, what do you want to do? Do you want to close the trade or stay? Back in time, I would go out. Because why? One more time. Why? It's psychology, everybody. I'm scared. The market didn't go up. The market went down, almost hit my stop loss, and stopped here bearish. Right? Stay, stay, stay. Okay. So I'm getting out as a beginner trader. Arman and Israel are staying. Let's see what is going to happen. Next one, next candle, bullish. Almost hit the stop loss. Bullish, bullish, bearish, bearish, non-decision, bearish, sideways. Whoop. What about now? Arman and Israel, do you want to get out? Almost hit the stop. The market is 5 pips away. Do you want to get out of the market? Same question, Israel and Arman, everybody else, Lucas, and everybody else who is online. Do you want to stay in the market or do you want to get out? Wait for stop loss. Okay. Israel, what about you? Stay in the market or get out? Wait for the stop loss, okay? Bam! The market stop us out. Loser in here and loser in here. So we have 3 losers and 2 winners. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The market is pushing down, down. 1, 2, 3, right? What about this one? Next, 1, 2, 3. Is this or is this not a bullish candlestick formation? Lucas says stay. Okay, next one. Is this or is this not a bullish candlestick formation? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put the wicks in here. This is the long wick in here. This is the long wick in here. This is the long wick in here. This is the small wick, big body, bullish candle. Buy bull, buy. Okay. Okay, everybody. Now, let's delete this one, delete this one, delete this one, delete this one, delete this one. Okay, buy. Let's see what is going to happen. This would be the stop loss and clone. This is the profit, right? So let's see. Bullish and bearish again. Oh my God. Do you want to get out? Lucas, Israel, Arman, do you want to get out or stay? Everybody, remember, you need to... Okay, but let's go step by step. So we are in the bullish candle. We bought bullish candlestick formation. Okay, it was not a bad trade, right? But it was not 1 for 1. So we risked 1 and we earned 50%, half. 1 for 1 would be here. Stay. Okay. Now, man, bullish, you know, sideways, up and down, and yeah, finally, we won. Winner. 3 winners. Follow the plan. Very good. Winner, 3 winners, 3 losers. Let's see the next one. Going up and down, bearish, sideways, bearish, undecision, bearish. Whoop. What about this one? 1, 2, 3. So this would be the entry, right? And this, so 1 for 1. Let's delete this one. I'm going to click in here and clone. 1 for 1. Who wants to go on this one? Buy this bullish candlestick formation. This is the wick of the candle. This is the wick on of the candle, right? Who in here? Anybody here who wants to buy this? So this is the last 4 candles. The last 3 candles are okay. Buy, bull, buy. What is the trading rule saying, everybody? Remember the rule? I'm going to buy bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend and never sell. Right? Now, this is the result right now. But tell me, everybody, is the market in an uptrend or is the market in a downtrend? Look at the chart. You know, we were buying in here, right? This is why we made some profit. Had a loser too. We bought in here, was a profitable trade. We bought in here, was a profitable trade, right? We bought in here, was a loser. Is the market still in an uptrend? Oh, but it's short term. It doesn't matter. Is the market or it's not in an uptrend? Is the market making higher highs, higher lows? Or is the market making lower lows, lower highs? What is the market doing right now? Made a lower low. So if I buy this, so number one, yes, this is a bullish candlestick formation, right? But if I buy this bullish candlestick formation, downtrend, yes, Brandon, correlation, we're in a downtrend. So if I buy this bullish candlestick formation and if I win, what's the problem? So if I lose, everybody, now we have bullish candlestick formation, okay? And if I buy this one and if I lose, it's okay, right? I know why I'm going to lose. I'm going to lose because I bought a downtrend. Agreed? Or at least, you know, you need to agree with me. Does this make sense to you? If I'm going to buy this bullish candlestick formation and I'm going to lose, it makes sense to me. I bought a downtrend. So does this make sense to you, everybody? So if it's a loser, it's okay. What's the problem if this is going to be a winner and has nothing to do with charts? Teacher Israel, what's the problem if I'm buying this candlestick formation in a downtrend? Dejoni, about to buy. You should not. Beginner traders, you should not buy a downtrend. Israel, bad habit, exactly, everybody. So let's zoom in the chart. Let's zoom in the chart. Number one, this is a bullish candlestick formation. Yes, sir. If I'm going to buy this bullish candlestick formation, and if I win by luck, this is wrong. Why? I am forming bad trading habits. Okay? And some of you have friends that been around the block for 3, 4, 5 years, extremely intelligent, by the way, and are not making it as a trader. Why not? We have data that it's shown that most, not everybody, but most of traders who've been around the block and are not making it, meaning being consistently profitable, is because they form bad trading habits. Arman, we have to follow the rules, no buying a downtrend. Very good. And of course, I'm a beginner trader and I'm not going to listen to Fxpassion and I'm going to buy. Bad habits, Usman. I'm going to buy this sucker and the market is going to go my way up, 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 up. Bam, I won, right? I won. And I'm going to go back to my teacher and I'm going to say, teacher, what you teach doesn't work. I bought a downtrend and I won, right? And the teacher is going to say to me, well, now that you are smart, just continue. Continue to buy, continue to buy bullish candlestick formation in the downtrend. You know, just continue. Make sense, everybody? And let's see the next one. So it went up and up, right, and up, and so we need to find a downtrend right now, right? We need to find a downtrend. So happens all the time, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down, you know, up, and okay, so we are back, right? So it's going to be for the next lesson, right? And we're going to buy bullish candlestick formation in a downtrend, right? Ha ha ha. Happens all the time. We don't listen to our teachers, we don't listen to our mentors, and just because one concept doesn't work one time, right, we think that, oh, it's not working. So let's see the next bullish candlestick formation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about this one, everybody? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this or is this not? And everybody, even though we are joking, believe me, those are extremely important concepts and extremely important psychological behaviors. When we don't listen, or as a beginner trader, we learn a concept, we learn a technique, and just because it doesn't work or it works in the opposite direction, then we start to think, oh, so it's not true, right? I can buy bullish candlestick formation in a downtrend, or I can go against the market, right? Or I can put more risk on the retracement because I had one winner, when the reality it's quite different. But it takes some time for us to understand, right? And I'm telling you, everybody, I had a student who made 500%. And Israel, you know who is this? I have a student who made 500% profit, closed rates in a week. And he came to me and he said, oh, dear Fxpassion, your strategy is good, what you're teaching is good, but mine is better. Look what I did. And I said, well, congratulations to you. You are a better trader than me. I've never made 500%, not in a week, in a year. It's, crazy. But I saw that he broke all the rules, all the concepts, and I told him the same thing that my mentor told to me. Now that you are smart, just continue, just continue. And of course, he would lose, and he lost the account the next week. He would draw down, he made 500%, and then he lost 700%. He drew down, and burned the account. So the lesson today, everybody, yeah, it's technicals, it's candlestick formations, it's buying candlestick formation in an uptrend. It's trying to understand how theory works and what is the live market. But this lesson today is psychological too. And as Arman said, we should always obey the rules. And obeying the rules, it's a skill, everybody. Remember, we're telling you, trading is a learnable skill. You can learn this, But on the other side, what we know is that it's not that easy, right? It's difficult. Why? Because we have losing trades too. And even though sometimes I'm making the right decisions, I'm following the rules, I'm going to have loser, 3 losers in a row, and then I'm going to get scared, discouraged, and I'm not going to follow the rules anymore. And then I'm toasted. Why? Because trading is not going to make sense anymore to me. So this is maybe the most important part today. If you stop trading by the rules, if you stop obeying the rules, everything what happens in the market is going to be random to you. Can you relate to this, everybody? Maybe the complete beginner, oh, I'm trading for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, cannot relate to this. But the beginners who are in the market for 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, if we stop following the rules, everything that happens in the market is going to look like random to us. True or true? Not true or false. True or true? Yes or no? Yes or yes? Sure. And one more time, don't be harsh on yourself. It's not that easy, right? It's not that simple. Why? Because we are emotional, Oh, I'm not emotional. Yes, you are. You have fear. You lost 3 trades on the live account, even though we are telling you go on the demo. Oh, but demo is boring. You lost 3 trades on the live account, real money, and now you are scared. Oh, I'm not scared. I'm black belt kickboxing. You are scared as a trader, not as a person, as a trader. I like the psychology lessons. The beginner traders don't understand yet, but believe me, everybody, you are going to be around the block for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and if you are not going to make it, ask for help, because it's not your fault. After the trend lines, the candlestick formations and everything, there is one place left where to look at, and it's psychology. Passion, stop philosophy. Okay. Let's go by this last candlestick formation. Let's see. So this would be the entry. This would be the stop loss, right? Clone. 1 for 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. We won. Of course we won. It was an uptrend. Not a guarantee, right? Not a guarantee. So where is the sign? Winner, loser, loser, winner. Where is the... Did I... Oh, here. So we have 4 winners. 4 winners, right? I'm 5 months into the demo account. Very good. Next one. So I'm going to just scroll the we're almost out of time, everybody. So let's try to find one more, right? Oh, this was an interesting one. This one in here. This one in here. Is this or is this not those two? Those two in here. 1, 2. What is those two? What are those two? And this is the wick in here, and this is the wick in here too. What are those two? Candle, hammer, not too bother with the names. Tweezer, bottoms, well, maybe. We don't have the... I don't remember the name. It's the bullish piercing line. Tweezer bottom, maybe, right? So let's see how this is going to go. Just quickly, you know, 1 and clone. Clone. Let's see. Stopped out and then stopped out again. So this will be a loser again, right? Loser again, and let's compress the chart. So win 4, lose 4. You know, 4 winners, 4 losers, buying candlestick formations in an uptrend, and this would be the end, right, of the trend right now. Okay, this would be the end right now. So what are the other techniques that we can implement, everybody, to get a higher chance of success? Number 1 would be, instead of us putting the stop loss below the candles, it would be put the stop loss, and this is what we're going to do tomorrow. We're going to look to sell bearish candlestick formations, and instead of putting the stop loss on the candle, on the candlestick formation, we are going to put the stop loss on the trend line. You are going to see, everybody, a different result. But remember, the lesson is not just technical, it's psychological too. When I should buy, when I should sell, you know. And if we would just use the stop loss, like in here, remember it's related to risk reward. Maybe we would not be stopped out, right? So this technique today, everybody, this is what scalpers do on the 5-minute chart, on the 15-minute chart. Okay? Swing traders, this is the difference between the strategies. Swing traders would do, they would enter buying the same candlestick formation, but the difference is the stop loss goes down in here. Or whatever, you know, it's according to the strategy. Make sense? And another one, you know, tomorrow, what else? Well, we are going to sell the same candlestick formations with the counter trend line break, right? We're going to use tomorrow a different approach, a different stop loss approach, and different tools to enter the market. Okay? And in the end, once you are over this course, everybody, take what you like and what makes sense to you, and reject what you don't like, what you don't believe. You know, oh, this doesn't make sense to me. Cool, just to reject, you know. Take what you like, take what you are good at, and try to form rules. One more time before we finish for today, why our trading must be, it's not that should be, it must be rule-based. If it's not rule-based, Everything that happens is going to be random. And thank you for your time, everybody. See you back tomorrow. Stay strong. Stay strong. Trade with passion. This is Fxpassion signing off.